Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to create an independent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. But before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to support the channel. Let us see how to do it. Here we have different items, fruits, furniture, and clothes. We have to define all the items. First of all, we will define fruits, select the items, go to formula. Here we have define name, name it fruits. For furniture, the same, define, okay, close, okay. Now it's time to create a drop down list. Here we have two sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. In sheet 1, we will create a drop down list. Select this, go to data, here data validation, list, click into this little arrow, come to sheet 1, select all this, and then OK. Here drop down list is created. Now it's time to create drop down list for items. Select this one. Again from data, data validation, list. Here we have to write this formula equal direct, open the bracket, click this one, and we need to remove this dollar sign between A and 2. Close the bracket. Okay. Let us see the drop down list is created. Here we have the categories, for example, fruits. In the items, it must show only fruits items. See, for example, clothes. Here it will show only clothes. Furniture, it will show only furniture items. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like this video.